what did the Fed do? So it's important to see first historical narrative, no, from a stock market performance. If you remember, there was a 2008 crisis, no, which is obviously represented by this pullback, no. 2,320 as of 2007. Nagkaroon ng recovery 2009, and eventually after that, the market continued to pump, no? Eventually up until 2016, the market continued pumping and even besting its previous higher or lower high here at 2,000 points, no? Bumaba ng konti noong 2016, umangat ulit. Okay, ng 2000, there was a little bit of a 2018 problem. This was the time when Trump was already the president, right? And if you've noticed, after a couple of candles, 2018, it recovered and eventually even went higher during Trump admin, and this was the COVID crisis. The question is, on the 2008 financial crisis, what did the Fed do?